Si Elay po, mag-iipon. Elay, come here. Wow, Elay. Here. Wow, we put money here. Wow. No, only this one. Wait lang. Oh, come here. Put your money. Put your money here. Oh, you know how to put your money. Come here. Daddy. Halika, Daddy. Diyan ko kay Elay dito, Daddy. Si Elay po, mag-iipon. Put your money. Yehey. No, don't. Oh. Ayan na yung money mo. Daddy. Banding yung ni Elay mag-ipunin.
Hi!
Hi, Daddy. Come here.
Oh, binigyan ka ni Daddy na snackmeat, Daddy? Ha? Tiki bag! Yay! Clap! Paano mag-clap? Patingin nga na clap! Clap! Yay! Clap! Okay? Bibigyan kita ng 5. Okay? Oh!
Put it there. Ikaw nga mag-video, Daddy.
You know? Lagay mo ha. Yan.
Go!
Sige,
Your
lagay mo.
piggy bank is bigger than you.
Oh. Ay!
Wow!
Wow!
Hey, clap your hands.
Lagay.
Natuto ko mag-ipon.
Wow! Very good. Clap.
Only 5 pesos, 10
Yay!
pesos, and 20 pesos. We don't put the 1
Oh,
peso.
wala dyan. Nandito na sa loob. Okay.
Ayan, at least hindi natin natin. Wow! Practice ka na mag-ipon, anak. Wow! Dami pa lang anuhan eh. Dami na ipon ni Daddy na barya-barya. Aba.
Yes, yan. No.
What?
Yay!
Ito lang nila na piso-piso.
Yung piso-piso, tabi mo lang. Oh,
Mangkok natin yan. Yan mo pa nilagay.
yan lang yan. Swerte daw ang pera sa mangkok.